Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a diet plan for weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging and overwhelming process, but with the right plan in place, it doesn't have to be. Before we get started, it's important to remember that everyone is different and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new diet or exercise plan. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Determine your daily calorie needs. The first step to creating a diet plan for weight loss is to determine how many calories you need to eat each day to lose weight at a healthy and sustainable rate. There are several online calculators that can help you determine this based on your age, height, weight, and activity level. Aim to create a calorie deficit of 500-1000 calories per day to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Step 2. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Instead of focusing on cutting out entire food groups or following a strict list of approved and forbidden foods, try to focus on incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet. These are foods that are high in essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients while being low in calories. Examples include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Step 3. Plan your meals and snacks. Once you have a general idea of how many calories you need to eat each day and what types of foods to include, it's time to start planning your meals and snacks. Try to spread your calories evenly throughout the day to keep your energy levels stable. Don't forget to include healthy snacks to help prevent hunger and keep your metabolism going. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss. Water can help you feel full, so you're less likely to overeat. It can also help flush out toxins and keep your body functioning properly. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. Step 5. Be consistent. Weight loss doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to be consistent with your diet and exercise plan to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away. It takes time and consistency to see real change. And that's it. Those are the basic steps to creating a diet plan for weight loss. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new diet or exercise plan and to listen to your body's needs. Thank you for watching.